Christine over at Christine Mrs. Gillum Farms, and we got a new video come to you today, and it's part of a collaboration of Noodle November 2024, Twisted Pasta, and it's hosted by Tony at Kettle Kitchen. I want to thank him for inviting me this year to this November collaboration. There will be a playlist that will be in my description along with the recipe that I'm going to show you today. That's quick and easy. And I will have the playlist in the description along with the recipe and all the great channels that are participating. There's going to be a channel each day and giving you a new twisted pasta recipe, so I'm excited. There will be a live giveaway. The live is with several prizes December 3rd on Tony's channel, Kettle Kitchen, at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And to be eligible, you just need to watch each video, comment, make as many comments as you want, and then be at the live. And then through hashtags, comments, comment pickers, hashtags, and leaving your comments and the discussion in the live, you can win. So more to come. Let's get into the recipe. I am making Gillum Farms Kitchen Mexican street corn pasta. Cheers. Let's get busy. I'm gonna start by cooking 12 ounces of, I'm not sponsored, of rotini. And I did the tricolors because I just like it because it's a little festive. Okay, so I'm gonna get that started. I'm gonna cook it till al dente. I'm gonna follow the instructions on the recipe. I don't cook a lot of pasta. So bring 4 to 6 quarts of water to a boil, add salt to taste, add pasta to water, stirring occasionally, and for authentic al dente pasta, boil for 7 minutes. For more tender pasta, boil an extra minute. I wonder how they get the extra minute. Drain well and serve your favorite. Okay, while that's cooking, we're gonna cook the Mexican street corn, and I'm gonna bring you over to the stovetop. This is Christine's version. If it's not right, sorry, this is how I like it. Okay, I'll meet you over at that stove, right over there. Be right back. The only thing I'm gonna do here with this corn is get a nice char on it. Okay, we're gonna let that go for a little bit, and then when it gets a little bit charred, I'll bring you back. I'm going to add my purple onion, and then I'm gonna add my red bell pepper. In this, I'm gonna add some dry cilantro from my garden. I will use some fresh to top it off. So probably about half a teaspoon, and I'm gonna add some salt, and I'm gonna find my pepper. Add pepper. Look at the beautiful color. It's like fall in a pan. I love it. Sorry, I know the sizzling's probably loud. This one lets the beans run through. Give it another minute or two, and then while we're working on that, we're gonna go over here and put our sauce together. Okay, let's put together the sauce that we're gonna put over the pasta and everything. And we're gonna start with our base of half a cup of mayo, real mayo. And then I'm gonna add a half a cup of sour cream. Now, the best thing to make to do this would be to use Mexican crema. I don't have Mexican crema, and I don't have time to make it. It's like a 12-hour process, is my understanding. So what I love in almost everything is apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna put this in here to give it that tang that I feel like, I mean, there's more of a sweetness with the crema because you have the heavy cream. It's a mixture of lime, heavy cream, buttermilk, and I think salt and lime. But I'm gonna have limes that we're gonna put in here. I'm gonna have, I have the sour cream, which is more of a tart, but I think we'll still, I'm not the sweet person, so I think this will be good. Or at least, I like it. Okay, now let's add to this. We're gonna go ahead and add our I'm gonna add a tablespoon of chili powder, whatever you like to use, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then there is what we could use is either, it wants a cilantro seasoning to give it that kick. I've got 2 different ones. I've got the classic Tinja, not sponsored. an adobo, which is new, which is cilantro and lime. So I'm gonna try this and see if I like it or not. So I'm gonna do a teaspoon of that. Okay, and I'm gonna use a half a teaspoon of paprika, and then I can always add more if I want it. I measure with my heart, my feelings. Sorry. Lime's in there. Okay, so side up so we don't get seeds in there. And actually what I'm gonna do before I add the second one is I'm gonna taste this. So I'm gonna mix it up first and then we'll see if it really truly needs that second lime. And before I do taste it, I forgot to put in here with some salt. So we're gonna do half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, I want to taste this. Let's see. I'm glad I didn't put the second lime in. I think it needs a little bit more salt and a little bit more. I think I'm gonna try the tangies out. So we'll do half a teaspoon. If I can get this open. And again, measuring with my heart. Maybe a little bit more. This is real, folks, right? This is real. Okay, and a little bit more salt. So let's say a pinch of salt. Mix that in. Get a new spoon. That's it, folks. That's it. Okay, pasta's just done. I'm gonna get a bigger bowl and we'll put it all together and see what we get. Now we'll pour in our sauce. And we'll start mixing it. Oh, look at that creamy richness. Ooh, it's gonna be good. And the longer this sets and absorbs, the pasta absorbs the sauce, the better it's gonna be. But we're gonna do a taste test as soon as I get this mixed up. Let me show you what it looks like. Now let's taste it. Better try it one more bite. Good. I like this. Definitely would serve it with some slices of avocado, and like this would be perfect for the steak. I made enchiladas the other day, venison enchiladas. I'll link the video. I make this a lot without the pasta. As a side dish I make often, well not often, but a lot during the summer. Grill the corn on the cob, and that way it gets a nice char on it, and then cut it off. Toss it in some, it'd be nice if you had some, what is that, cotija? Oh, that's what I'm missing. Oh, just a minute. Okay, I about screwed this up big time. What would be perfect in this is, and I always say the name wrong, is it cotija? But I've got this queso fresco cheese. I think the cotija is more of like a Parmesan, a Mexican Parmesan cheese that's grated, or yeah, that's grated. But we're gonna take some of this and we're gonna crumble it in here. And I think that's that missing thing. I totally forgot. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely have now the cheese in there. I don't know how good it, oh, maybe that's pretty good. Not very good, these cameras. Okay, so taste bite with the cheese. That's what was missing. Now you can add spiciness to it, whatever, add some more spice to it. Maybe tomorrow I may add some more to it, just depend on how it's marinated together.
Okay, let's wrap this video up. This is Noodle November 2024. It was twisted pasta. I just want to tell you thank you for watching this. Thank you. Be sure and go check out all the channels that I have in my link below, in my description below. A bunch of great channels that are coming up with these wonderful, or already maybe some recipes I already had. Yeah, so go check them out. I want to say God bless you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. What is it called? Noodle. Where's my notes? Where is my notes? Oh yeah, there we are. Okay, let's try this again. Take one. Really?
Okay. I was invited to It's Not Log in November. Seriously? Invited to the noodle.